I didn't have a specific pattern of my art, but I knew the idea of it, that I'm going to mix up a lot of colours and I'll see what comes up. It's an abstract piece. It's something probably you'd look and see different things. To tie in that to my culture, Unity Day is celebrated in spring in Kazakhstan, and it's a day where a lot of cultures, a lot of nationalities in our country get together and celebrate the unity. You know, the day of friendship, goodness, wealth, and love. So I thought that's a very good representation of my culture and how we, encompass a lot of nationalities and live under one roof, as we do in Australia as well. So there's a bit of similarity in that sense.